Good morning students. Today I am guiding you the nutritive diet for the balancing health. Here it is integrated with your Hindi chapter, that is Rakt aur Sharir. As you know, the blood is having a very importance in our body. In our body, 70% of water, in rest of is blood and some chemicals and all. So if we want to give the flow of blood in each and every part of body, we drink sufficient amount of water, at least 7 to 8 glass of water daily. And secondly, if we want to be iron, more capturing of iron, then we will take the diet of vitamin C rich. Vitamin C like amla, lemon juice, and you can use citrus fruits also. If you are intaking this vitamin C, so your intake of this iron is improved and you can receive more iron for your body. And in this salad, we are using so many things, but first of all, before starting this salad recipe, I just want to tell you the value and nutrition benefits of these materials. Spinach, as you know, simply we have to say palak. That is very rich of iron, magnesium, potassium, folic acid, and the alpha acid, that is reducing the glucose level in our body, and if we are using it, reducing the joint pain, right? And carrot we are using, this is rich with vitamin C, vitamin A, and good for the eyes. And beetroot, this is very lovely in the color and it enhancing the beautification of the salad and very highly rich of the iron and good for the fiber source, and it is rich of the magnesium also. As raw mango, it is improving the dehydration, it solves the dehydration problem, it's improve the water content in our body, and it enhancing the taste of the salad, right? This is available, as you know, the mango is a king of the fruits and it is available only in the summer season. This is seasonally you can use it, otherwise if you are not using in the salad, so no matter. Now next is tomato. Tomato, as you know, the tomato is having a very good antioxidant, that is lycopene, and it is giving you a skin radiant. So when you are using the tomato, then your skin will be glowing and acne free skin, fine fair skin you will find out. Next is cucumber, and it's having a lots of fiber and water capacity, water consistency capacity, so it is rich of fiber also, so it's removing your constipation problem also. So if you are including in your diet, it is very health beneficiary. And next is coriander leaves. Coriander leaves, simply we have to say the dhania leaves. It is highly rich with the iron and it is removing the bad cholesterol, that is LDL, and it is improving the good cholesterol, that is HDL. So let's start it. And you know, simply a kid's having a 16 to 80 mg hemoglobin in our body, and the women having at least 12 to 14 mg and the men having 12 to 14 mg hemoglobin level. Jaggery is also a good source for the iron. If we are using after the meal and dinner, one small piece of jaggery, or you can say gur chana, you can eat also like this. So this is used just like a sweetener also in improving your iron capacity in our body. So without wasting much time, I'm just starting this iron rich, not only the iron but the magnesium, potassium, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin A. There's so many good contents we are putting in our salad. So if we are including this salad in our daily diet, means before meal and before dinner, so it will give you so many good things in our body, nutrition diet in your body. So let's start.
In this plate you can see so many colorful vegetables are here as beetroot, cucumber, raw mango, carrot, coriander leaves, spinach, and tomato. Now we will take one bowl and we will put grated carrot, chopped carrot, grated raw mango, grated cucumber, chopped cucumber, chopped beetroot, grated beetroot, chopped tomato, chopped coriander leaves, and chopped spinach. We sprinkle black salt and toss it together. Before this, we will squeeze lemon juice according to our taste only. If you take more citrus, then you can add the lemon juice. As you know, the lemon juice is rich with vitamin C. And if you don't want more citrus, so you ignore this also. This is your choice. After tossing, your salad is ready. As you know very well, in this so many things we have put it, and these are very tasty. After completing this, you can decorate with any way. You can take tomato slices and decorate. You can make the flower of tomato. You can take the slice of beetroot and decorate. You can use spinach leaves and pudina or a coriander leaves.